Start by drawing the top and the bottom of the value scale. It should be between 1 and 2 inches wide. Put marks at the bottom of the value scale that are about 1 inch apart. You should end up with 11 sections. That means 10 marks. Dilute the paint with a lot of water, about 5% water to 95% paint. Use the end of the flat brush to paint a sharp edge between the white, which is blank paper, and the second lightest value. Paint this value across the rest of the value scale without making it darker. Wait for the paint to dry before you add the next layer. After the paint is dry, move to the right one section and then start painting your third value, which should be slightly darker than the one to the left of it. Make this value darker by adding slightly more red to the water. Paint this value over the rest of the value scale. Wait for this layer to dry, then repeat this process until you get to the sixth section. In this section, add a little bit of dark green to the red to darken it. Paint this value over the rest of the value scale. Then wait for it to dry. After this value is dry, move to the seventh section and then add even more green. As you move to the right, make sure the watercolor is concentrated with more paint, but never use paint straight out of the tube. Always add enough water so that you can see through to the paper. Also, never add so much green that it overwhelms the red.